YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another banger, man. Y'all won't believe what I just ran into. We got a Hellcat Swap 300 and a Trackhawk. You feel me? So right now we finna cut up. You know what I'm saying? Get active. Hopefully. Might turn the flash off though, y'all. What y'all think? Oh, seeing that boy got the bird on it. Y'all can't even see it. Oh, he on my bumper. Oh, he on my bumper. Oh, he on my bumper. Yeah. That boy on my bumper. The trackie on my bumper. Them boys coming through crazy. Yeah. That boy on that shit. Yeah. Good little trackie. Good little trackiana. Good little trackiana, motherfucker, you feel me? We gonna get that motherfucker soon. Yeah! Yeah! That Trackhawk different, boy. Hellcat 300. Yeah. Y'all, I need that glow in the dark steering wheel like bro got. So tough. Hey, it's a Camaro up here though, y'all. We finna bully him. It's a Camaro up here. Hold on. Trackhawk leaving me. Brembos to save your life, boy, for real. Tracky getting through there. Let's see what the 300 gonna do. Fuck it, I can get through there too then. Say no more. Cool little cut up session though, y'all. This is gonna end the video though, y'all, man. If y'all wanna see more content with the Hellcat 300 and the Trackhawk, get this video to 50 likes. 50 likes. We gonna run it back in the daytime. Good little cut up. It's your boy STAJ, I'm out.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked the sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh, she glad I'm